into video games, Death Stranding 2 comes out today. Really excited about that. I've been waiting for that game for a long time. I don't know if anyone cares. I think the first game came out in 2019. And it just didn't seem interesting to me at all. Like, it just looked like maybe you just like walked around and shit, delivering packages. It's kind of like you're like a UPS delivery person simulator. But the guy that makes them, he used to make the Metal Gear Solid games. I was obsessed with them. I loved every single one of them except the fifth one. I played it, I finished it. I didn't really like it that much, but every other one I loved it. But yeah, so that the first one came out in like 2019. I don't think I actually played it until 2022 because I was like, you know what? Let me just give it a shot. This guy makes really crazy games. He's got a weird mind. Like a fucked up mind, but it works. Like in this game, you're fighting like these like dead tar people, but the point of the game is also like connecting the United States and delivering packages and stuff along the way. It's really weird. Like there's no other game like it. But like these monsters, when you have to fight them, you throw like pee bombs and shit bombs at them that you make when you go to the bathroom. It's just so fucking weird. There's guns that like shoot like bullets of like your blood, and then there's grenades that are pee grenades and shit grenades. This is only shit that this guy would come up with. But a game that I thought I was going to end up hating, that I put off for like 2 or 3 years, I ended up actually liking, and now the second one came out today, and I'm fucking really excited to go home and play it. Even though I'm probably not going to have time to go home and play it today. I'm definitely going to go pick it up, but I don't know what time I'm going to get home. And I'm like really big on buying the physical game. I know a lot of people, you can buy every single game online now, like on the PlayStation Store. But I'm like really big on buying the physical copy. I always go to GameStop. I love GameStop. And I feel like at some point they're going to go out of business because everyone's just buying their games right from their PlayStation or Xbox or Steam, like for PC and shit like that. So I feel like GameStop is going to be doomed at some point, but I'm trying to contribute as much as I can. I buy all my games from there. I know this is a trucking channel, but I figured I would throw it out there anyway because I love video games. I'm friggin' addicted to them. I think I like it so much because it like, you could kind of like escape like your own, like your head, and just immerse yourself into another story that you could, you know, that you're playing. So it lets you get out of your head for a little while at least, and just put yourself into another world. It's therapeutic, and I think that's why I like it so much. Because if you're a truck driver, you'll know you're just sitting here alone all day. Just you and your thoughts. Just start thinking crazy shit, just being in your own head all day. So I feel like for me, video games, like playing PlayStation, allows me to like get out of that space, get out of my head. Games. I played The Last of Us Part 1. Right now I am like maybe like a quarter of the way through of The Last of Us Part 2. But I'm obviously not going to finish it now at this point because I want to play this new game. But once I play Death Stranding 2, I'll go back to The Last of Us again. Uncharted games, Final Fantasy. I really like the Final Fantasy VII remakes, like that 3-part series. They only made 2 parts so far. They're making the 3rd one right now. But what I'm into are the games that are like really, really heavy on like story. I'm not so big into like Fortnite and like Call of Duty and shit like that. Call of Duty I like, but I'll only play the campaigns because I like games that have like a really good and deep story. So like the online thing is not really my thing. Gets fuel at that place, because from what I hear, that fuel at that place is freaking like really bad. Like a lot of water in the diesel. I can't wait until I figure out what that whining noise is. I can't stand it anymore. I cannot stand it. Like, not only is it annoying, and it got louder over the past week or so, but I'm sure it's damaging something, you know?